Yeah, well, after trying for some time to set up new React application using create React app, eventually I did create it using Vite or Vite. I don't know how to spell it correctly still. So yeah, it does work. So we run the yes, leave me alone, please. I really want you to leave me alone. I just need to write my application. Okay. What we're required to do is we have a server backend running here. We created some time ago, and now we need to create a React front. Let's put in README here. Create a task list component that fetches tasks from API and displays them. Okay. Here is the backend folder. I think we're gonna run it in the editor also, so we can switch between backend and frontend easily and reference in it. Okay. npm run start here. Run serve. What do you want from me? How do you call it? Serve. Right, backend is running here, and I think the most useful part of the code is gonna be types that we're gonna steal actually, and here's description of the API. Okay, now first of all, let me install Zot, because I kinda like him. I like him a lot. How the Jim Carrey says, a lot. Okay. Now, first things first, we just grab types file from backend. And we place it here. Yeah. Do we place it here? We copy it. Paste it. Okay, now we have the schema here also. And actually we can grab this file also and place it somewhere. Let's call it test. Same story all over. Copy. Paste. Okay. Let's test that API is working. Yeah, great. Now we need, here's our main entry point, and we need to create a component. Let's name it, how do you name it? Should it be just one component? I guess it should be like, I think we need to create to do tsx file. I know if now you need to import React, use state from React, or you don't do this nowadays, I'm not sure, but oh, that's cool. That's that's kind of useful. Yeah, but what I wanted to do actually is yeah, well, let's make it simple to do simple. Let's make it simple. Okay, let's help him a bit here. You know that he knows the types. He might do better this time. What? Are they crazy? What's that? No, that's not what I want. Yeah. Const list, set list, new state, hug part, type to do from types. Now, does this work? Assign value but now used. Okay. Actually, for some reason I wanted to do a separate component named to-dos list. To-dos list, and what it's gonna do is gonna just display the list of to-dos. So we use effect one time and one time only, and we fetch to-dos, and then we set the list with data. I don't like this. Why am I missing case here? Again, the stupid program. It doesn't allow me to write equal sign for some reason. Oh, okay, now it works. Let's verify here. Things are so difficult with this stupid shit. Like, stop messing with me, okay? Set list. Oh, all right. We don't do any validation at the moment, okay? just pretended to be the right way. So in order to run once, okay, yeah, whatever. Okay, those delays are just give me up, like that my React skills are rusty, because these are just stupid things that do not exist in Vue. All right, and I don't know the correct way to do this. I know how to do this in JavaScript, but how to do this in readable way, like what React people used to do. I can wrap it with yeah, an async function like this and call it right away. But I'm not sure it's what React people do, right? Let's ask ChatGPT. It's not cheating, it's just how do React people usually write wrap async code in use effect to use await syntax rather than then. If you immediately invoke function expressions pattern, like in your example, to wrap function. Really? That's what they do. If they do that all the time, why in the hell not just allow async functions here on the framework level? It's so stupid. Define async function outside of use effect. Use effect. Alright. This looks like yeah, I think I like this better, like function fetch data, async function. Fetch data. I think it's more readable. Fetch data, set list, list. Okay. Express function. Oh, stop! I need to. How to make it? We need to type this like it's vc.react component and all the stuff. Function like React. I need to ask how to properly type component. I remember there was something like vc React component type or generic or whatever. React FC, okay. Okay, just const. No, that would be a return value. Const to-do list React C. Yeah, now it says that we need to return some code here. That would be appropriate, right? And yeah, right. Types, text, done. Okay, let's start with that. It's a list of to-dos we get from the, this one we don't need yet. To-dos list. Let's incorporate them here. It's a cool page with all this stuff and logos with plus React and the button. It's so cool. We don't need that. We place our to-do list here. Okay. To-do list application. It's gonna be awesome. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Why? Run div. Nothing. To-do list. Just it's not. Okay. It is here to this list, but we don't fetch anything. Why is that? Connection refused. Because the port is not correct. You can see that. It's 380. Okay. Not found. To-dos. And what is the correct tasks? Yeah. For some reason, backend thinks it's tasks, right? Yeah, of course, it's course. Now we're going to the backend yet again. I open the main here middleware, and we also set header. Allow origin. What is the header name to allow from yeah, access control origin. Here's our backend. Access control origin. Yeah. Now the course problem should be fixed. Just like access control region, right? Here's our app. Let's rerun this. Yeah, success. The reason it is called yeah, well, we got some error. List map is not a function. List map is not a function. Why in the hell it's not a function? Oh, okay. Tasks. Here's the method we used. Fetch. To-dos const to-dos around data tasks has to do. I think we need a validation here somewhere. Okay, buy the milk, pick up the kids. Yeah, that works. What I don't like about this all is I want this to be I want this to be done in a service environment. Like all of this code, right? All of this code should be here. Async function. We're creating a service here, okay? Export get to-dos, update to-do, delete to-do, mark done as done. The creator. Okay, they are not existing at the moment, but hey, as for mark as done, of course we should have had this like a backend service also, but const backend rel. Also, yeah, we could. Bam. I guess all of the rest will be automatically done. That's kind of cool. I'm not gonna check it right now. next one we create, we call it to do form. I'll copy. Okay. We need to change it to use services, right? To do services. Close except close others. This service works. Should work just fine. Has to do, that's little pom pom. Okay, to the list, this one should import everything as to do service from declared but never used const to do's. I don't know. Oh, wait, does it get to do's? Yeah, right. Now let's check that it still works. Right. Now, to do form component, it's essentially a form, right? To do form component, but we'll have like parts of to do object. Let's not forget what we're working with. Okay. Text, set text, right. No list, we need done, set done, right. This use effects we don't need. No. To do form, but form we need. So yeah, right. Simple stuff, right? But function, we create function here on submit. React form event, right? Automatically, it just happens automatically on submit. On submit, I don't know, on submit, right? The only issue here is like when we use this kind of behavior, and separate things, right? Yeah, the easiest thing we can do here is look what we got here. Let's first of all, let's look at what we got. This list to do form, right? To do form, to do list, and oh, I noticed that the list is missing. Something to do here. Why? You have a prevent default behavior. Why are you doing this to me? On submit. Can I make this on button on Bing? Another course. Yeah, but why? Why do we have a course? Why do we have that problem? I don't know. Create task. We shouldn't have any. What happened? What happened here? Yeah, why? I just fixed this. I just fixed this behavior. Why are you doing this again? Response headers, request headers. Like this is okay, and this is not okay. Why? Seriously, why? Maybe. Ah. Yeah, took some break here and to figure out why I got course errors all the time, and this is of course backend and not entirely appropriate. Usually when you disable course quickly, you just put asterisks everywhere, and I just added allow origin but not allow headers tag here, so post method did fail. Yeah, quite common actually when you do it often enough. So back to React. Like here's my React. How does it look now? I quickly looked to Zustand to remember how it works, because I had the thought that a list of to-do tasks should be kept in the store to make things easier, but then I stopped myself because it should be quick and dirty and easy task, like in 15 minutes, and we already spent hours. So no Zustand here, just we're gonna put this form inside of the list, and that way, without any context or Redux or Zustand or shared state, we're just gonna place one form component inside the list component, and that's how we're gonna make sure that the list updates every time the task is added, right? Because now it's not updating. So let's do just that. The simplest way, of course, would be if I code it all inside the list component, like they suggested me to. But I created a separate form component. So because unlike Vue component, React component cannot send events to its parents in a normal sense. we will make a callback here. On add, yeah, right. And boom, 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 boom. To do params. Params. To do params. It's kind of like this. Yeah, right. Yeah, right. Params. Params on it to do. Okay. We remove this from app. Why are you so unhappy? And we put it to the lists, okay, here. But also with a function on it to do. And we're just killing all. Yeah, let's do this this way, optimistic way. On it, on it. Is this how it works? Okay, let's try this. Dog not done. Yeah, right, it works. It updates automatically. Super stuff. But yeah, the sort order is different, but we will pretend we don't care about that. Okay, next comes, I think next comes, you know, this form should also manage delete or manage updates. So I think the correct way will be to rename this to on submit, right? Add here properties for editing, like text, string, and then boolean, right? Make this default values. Если она defined to false. In other case, yeah, right. Now we, on submit print default, this logic like goes. This logic goes away. Yeah, in fact, let's skip it right now. Yeah, kind of like that. And this logic goes here on submit. Okay. on submit. Can it be in a sync function? No problem. And I propose to do the following. Значит, if to do ID, если это this is a new item, right? So then we just create it, right? If it existed, then we need to update it, right? So we just update it. And finally, finally, what I would do right now is like I would fetch data one more time. Just like that. Wait. Let's fetch that data. It's kind of like that. Let's check that adding new items still works. Let's refresh the screen. New item 1. Yeah, it's added and now it's in the list. Okay. Now as for the form, let's you know what I think this should be to do. Here now accepts a to-do object, and let's create a helper function called edit mod. Yeah. And here make something like this. Is that gonna work? I think so. Let's see that it's not broken. Yeah, so many items. Now it's potentially, this form potentially ready to be an edit form. Okay, for that to work, we need to add an edit button somewhere here. Okay, first of all, let's div style display flex. Yeah, again, cool suggestions, but not. No, that's not what I meant. Display flex. Let's not go faster than we should. That's how it looks. It's not good. I guess we're missing something. Display flex. Buy milk. Yeah, I'm not sure why this is the way it is. Why is it required to be an object? Why it can be text? Strange. I guess it's configurable. Maybe it's a new version of React behaves that way. Yeah, anyway, that is strange because how do you say space between display flags? yeah, just reading my mind. And oh, it's not space between. We need like 2 columns then, right? That will be the best solution for now. Yeah, great. Great. Oh no. Why deleted C edit? That just means we need right. Okay, why is that? To do undefined edited to do edited to do, right? Why are you doing this? Right. I think it's mostly ready, so no, it does not work. Can you actually watch parameters in React like you do in Vue. I mean, when parameters change, the whole component should change also, I believe. Right? Yeah, I don't know. Let's check the delete feature. Okay, delete feature works. Let's delete a bunch of them. Does the mark feature work? Okay, it does. Kinda cool. Yeah, but setting it off doesn't work because don't true. There's a I think there is a why are we passing the whole object here instead of an ID? Okay, never mind. Mark is done. Yeah, we toggled this one. Let's check. Yeah, this does work. It's pretty cool, huh? But what's wrong with edit? Now, when I press edit, shouldn't the form component be re-rendered? Well, it should. Of course it should, because edit mode changed, right? But the state remained the same, I think. Yeah, this is only state initialization. How we deal with that? How do we deal in React? We gotta to do, if we don't have it to do, we suddenly have it info to do. How we deal in React with this? Yeah, I'm not sure how. I'm thinking the Vue way about this, and then Vue params are reactive by default, and when something happens to params, everything kinda computes itself, except of course the state defaults. Yeah, but in Vue you can watch params, right? Maybe this here you can do also, like use effect. Yeah, right, and then we watch params to do. Yeah, I think that solves the issue. Yeah, right. Pick up the kids. Idiot. Yeah, instead it, for some reason, it created a new instance. Yeah, because we don't pass an ID here. Params to do ID. I think that will fix the issue. Edit. Wow. Edit. Yeah, it works. Yeah, it works finally. It doesn't turn back to add for some reason, so it's bound to this. All right. How do we get rid of it? Params to do edit it to do. Let's display it for debug reasons here, okay? Edited. You don't. We don't allow not strings here. You need it to do. Okay. Yes. But doesn't become undefined for some reason. On submit. Also here. Yeah, I fixed it. Edit war 1. Wait, and the 3. Yeah, this works. This worked just great. Well, that's it for this video. I think instead of 15 minutes both on backend and frontend, it took like several hours, maybe 2.5. With some weird bugs like create a React app not working properly, and then npm not working properly, and then stupid course mistakes, and generally. But the main problem, of course, is that React wasn't my native framework for maybe 2 years now, and I used to do React a lot before, and I used to do Angular, and in terms of backend, I made Node.js, like Nest, and .NET also. But in the last year or so, I didn't do raw Node, and I didn't do any React at all, so it just flew out of my head. So anyways, thank you for watching. I guess I hope it's somewhat useful to any of you. I'll let you know how it goes.